Welcome to the Gone to the Book. I am Jose. Shelly's still sleeping. It's Monday, May the 5th, Cinco de Mayo, and it is 9:06. I just looked out my window and I saw that Home Depot delivered my fence today, my vinyl fence, and it's in my driveway. So what I'm going to do is go out there and grab all the materials, bring it out to the yard where I'm going to do the install. And I never installed a fence before. The posts are already there, 6 foot apart. And I'm trying to do this on the cheap. So I got a vinyl fence. Each panel is about $60 with my military discount. And it's 8 foot, so I'm gonna have to cut it. And I got the brackets right here. And it seemed like the brackets were easy to install. I think they slide in. I'm not sure. Yeah, they slide in, so pretty easy. And but I want to make sure I do it right. So I'm gonna do one section completely just to make sure I got everything correct. And from there, I'm gonna install the rest of them. And I have 10 panels. And 10 panels was the hardware. Brought me up to $850. So let's go out there. Let's go out there and check out what we got. They put it on a pallet. It's 10 pieces. Each piece shouldn't be too heavy.
Let's go with the flow. Together we'll roll with hearts open wide. Join us on this journey. Let's take it in stride. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Late night, scrolling through my feed. People playing games, just blanks in the sea. Words like daggers, cut like a knife. You feed off my pain, but I'm taking back my life. Why you gotta twist the truth? Come on now. I see through your lies, I know how to shout. Stop trolling me, can't you see? I'm breaking free from your toxicity. I'm shining bright, devote to my light. Stop trolling me, I'm ready to fight.
Alright, we got a problem already. It's not what I ordered. Let me go Home Depot. It's the thing is, it's the wrong thing I ordered, but it'll fit my fence. So I don't know if I want to change the fence completely, or just use these panels just to fix the fence that I have already. I don't think it's that difficult. I mean, you see the picture on the internet, exactly what I wanted, and they come up with this. So they're relying not on sight, they're relying on barcode. And someone scanned the wrong barcode, or it was just wrong on the computer, and instead of going by picture site, which that's how I went with, this is what I wanted, they went with, oh, the barcode said this is it, this must be it. And they, even though it's probably not the same price, it's probably a little bit more expensive. So I'm gonna look that up on the internet to see if that's like $100 or whatever. If it is, I'd probably just keep it. It'd just be easier. I just fixed the fence that are broken, so my whole plan is messed up. So I'm gonna wait till Shelly wakes up. I'm gonna see what these panels are. See how much they cost, because if they cost $40 to $50 more, then I'm just going to keep these because they're more expensive, and I just chalk it up of getting a good price. But if they're, because it's 6 by 6 foot, or you can't get those for $60, so they have to be at least 100. So right there, I saved $40 to $45. But I don't know if the brackets that I have are going to fit that. So I'm going to take one piece out, see if it works, and if it works, I might keep it. If not, just call them up and say you gave me the wrong stuff. You need to come pick it up. That's what I'm saying. They just go by barcodes and they scan it. Oh, this must be it. There should be a picture involved. So if the picture of the product does not match the product that you're looking at, then it must be something wrong. So, but I got this. And either they lost money or I lost, but it's not my vision. I want my vision to come, and this is not my vision. Well, let's see. I need my phone to scan everything, so I'll be back to tell you what my decision is.
1 hour later.
Oh well, got off the phone. Come on, babe. Got off the phone and
Hi.
was Home Depot after a few, choice words. They're gonna refund me all my money because those are not the right panels from Home Depot. They look, they say yes, you're right. It isn't a 4x8, so they're gonna come pick it up. I gotta put my brackets out there so they can pick that up, and they're doing it today, and they're gonna give me a full refund plus delivery free. So I'm gonna get the $850 I paid for this, and the brackets and the delivery free. So I'm happy about that. So right now I'm gonna do a whole different plan on my fence. So you got anything, babe?
No.
Wanna go see what they gave me? Man, was I mad. I was pissed. And these are cheaply made more than the other ones. So there's a wind would have just broke these off too.
Yeah.
Especially with those brackets are not made of metal. They're made like aluminum or plastic, and the wind would just tear those up.
Wow.
Not even the same style we have.
Yeah.
So I can't even use them. Plus, you need certain brackets for these.
Right.
And I don't have those.
Well.
It is what it is, right, babe?
Yep.
I just want to use these for pictures, just in case I need proof that I returned them. But.
Oh yeah.
And look, they block. And I say, you guys, you got to pick it up today because you're blocking my car.
Oh yeah.
I can't. I said I can get out, but I have to drive on the grass, and I don't want to do that. I was a little ticked off. They gotta let me vent a little bit. And then he wants me to call. I said, why should I call? I just called you, and now I got to call somebody else and cuss them out. So he said, no, let me call. So that was it. I just need some coffee. I'm gonna sit down and relax, and then start the baseboard stuff from upstairs. I took one out and I put one back, so there should be 20 in there. They blocked my way. I guess that's the only place they could have stuck it at, so that's not a big deal. But alright, so I got, this is my proof exactly where they stuck it at, and the brackets. That's all I ordered. Brackets were delivered Friday, and this was delivered today. 11:54. So they're gonna come pick this up, and my brackets, and I should get refunded my whole. It was like $850. $850 for all that. I don't know, man. This is too much money. I'm gonna find a cheaper way to fix that fence. Alright, I gotta clean up my mess here. Black streak's gone. Look at that. But look, see how it's scratched up? You see how the black scratched up? So when you're cleaning it, you gotta be careful about that. You don't wanna scratch your decals. So, and that's my windshield with the Velcro on it. Doesn't look too bad. So, alright. I was looking forward to doing that. Hopefully they knock on my door because I want to film it and take it. And then the delivery fee, and it's $76 to deliver. I should have just ordered one panel. Thank you, babe. Do our outro. So that was a big fail. So I'm gonna try to figure out another way to fix her fence. Maybe a little bit more cheap on the cheap, and just to make it look decent. Because right now it doesn't look too good. So you got anything, babe?
No.
So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.